Seven ways to naturally increase your testosterone. So if you're suffering from a low mood or low drive or decreased muscle tone or increased belly fat or other issues that may be associated with testosterone, listen up through this video. I'm going to show you 7 ways to naturally increase your testosterone. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic, Redefined, and we test hormones as part of our comprehensive approach to health, which includes a no twisting or popping style of chiropractic. Now, the first way is vitamin D. Low vitamin D has been shown to lead to low testosterone. Less than a level of 20 of vitamin D has been shown in studies that have low free testosterone and increased estrogen. And supplementing with just 3,000 units of vitamin D per day for a year led to a 20% increase in free testosterone. The next factor is zinc. In the studies, a diet without zinc for 5 months led to a 50% decrease in total testosterone. And zinc is necessary for the step for your body to make testosterone, and it's necessary to slow the step from going from testosterone to estrogen. And so zinc is hugely important for having good, healthy testosterone levels. Now, magnesium also increases antioxidant capacity in the body, decreases inflammation, and has been shown to lead to a better or more robust release of testosterone in the body. You want to get enough sleep. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, because people who don't get good sleep have lower testosterone. And avoid sugar and grains. This is a wild information, but men with normal insulin after they ate a sugary drink, had a 25% reduction in testosterone, and it stayed down for 2 hours. So if you want healthy testosterone, cut out the sugar, cut out the grains. Lower fat leads to lower testosterone. Remember that all steroid hormones come from cholesterol. So you need healthy fats to make testosterone. So choose avocados, nuts, and grass-fed hormone-free beef. I can't emphasize enough hormone-free beef, because 1, there's external hormones in there, and 2, the fatty acid ratios are so much healthier, and so you're going to be so much better off with things like grass-fed hormone-free beef. The 7th way is burst training exercises. Burst training exercises lead to an impulse of human growth hormone, and that leads to more testosterone in the long run. So with burst exercises, you want to do a powerful motion or exercise for, it depends on how you're doing it, but 30 seconds to a minute or 2 minutes, and then rest enough time to recover your breath and then go again. It's especially effective combined with resistance training, and that's why I love kettlebells. And so in a kettlebell workout, we will often do swings, for example, where you're swinging as heavy a kettlebell as you can. We'll do 20 swings, we'll rest for a 25-second count, and then we'll do 20 swings again. Remember, we're doing a heavy kettlebell, and then we'll rest for a 25-second count, and then we'll do swings again. And then after so many times, we'll change to another exercise. And so burst training is great for improving your testosterone. Now let's just talk a moment about the testing for this. You want to make sure at a very minimum to get your testosterone checked and your estradiol checked, because yes, men have female hormones also, and testosterone can convert to estradiol, and we often need to slow that process. It's better yet if you can get your DHEA, androstenedione, and all those things checked as well. The way that we love to do it is a testing method called Dutch hormone testing. It uses dried urine strips, where you either urinate on the paper or urinate in a cup and dip the strip in there, let it dry for 24 hours, and it gets sent to the lab. We do that 4 times a day, because that also gives us information about cortisol, and again about DHEA, and all the male hormones and all the female hormones, and how the male hormones are breaking down, if they're breaking down in pathways that might lead to more chance of prostate cancer or not. And so it gives us some fantastic information. That's Dutch hormone testing. In fact, the report that we get from it is 9 pages. So many men, either these pathways may not be working as good as they should. It could be something as simple as needing more zinc, and it could be the things that we talked about in our video so far. And sometimes they're over-converting from testosterone to estradiol. And some of the things that slow that down, again, are zinc, a topical formula that you can use on the skin, especially in the areas of belly fats, called chrysin, a natural substance. Demonia, which is an herb, slows this conversion. Grapeseed extract slows this conversion. And a plant called nettle slows that. So those are some of the natural ways that you can deal with this. So a lot of times you can deal with low testosterone issues naturally and not have to take any hormone replacement. And that's so much better off if you can do it that way. So again, this is Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined, sharing with you 7 ways to increase testosterone naturally and how to get it tested and how to help you be healthier.